top 10. We going further. We were
Alive, I swear to
top
God.
10. Dead or alive. I swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on. We outside.
What is good, y'all? Today we changing something about the car I've been wanting to change for a while. Still not going to be fully complete, you know what I'm saying? Still got some steps to go. Y'all know the story of this car. Y'all know it was totaled. Well, if you don't know, the car was totaled. New fender, new hood, new door. Basically look like brand new, bro. Y'all know, obviously, this isn't the final form of the car. We're finally getting to modifying the car now. I'm excited to show y'all the wheels. Excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. What are you doing? Bro, I forgot we had to switch over the fucking TPMS sensor, so we're gonna have to take these wheels off. Might as well throw the other ones on without the spacers, so it's gonna look real crazy without the spacers or without coilovers. Just keep that in mind. This shit is not done at all, nor is it near its final form, so I don't know how I fit everything in this car though, bro. It's a 3 Series, fam. That shit fit 4 tires and 4 rims, no problem. Crazy. Sofa bed on the I just put 2 bolts in just to see how this shit would look, bro. Bro, them tires small as fuck, bro. I still got the half-inch spacers to put on, so we won't be able to dump too much. It's gonna be tight fitment though. Even without the spacer, that shit look beastie. It's not even on the floor yet. Hold on. The back compared to the front. So. A little bit of a difference. It's a 1-inch difference, so you'll be able to tell. So we got 255 40 19. On the back we got, I believe it's 255 35 19. 255 35 19. Bridgestone Provenza. So how the fuck you say that shit? Potenza. I'm trying to see what it's gonna look like with the spacers, bro. Watch, it's gonna look completely different, bro. Holy shit.
You want it, you want to stick it out?
No, that's how I want it, but I don't. I ordered, I ordered some spacers, like 1/2 inch, like 10 millimeter for the back.
Return it back.
You think so?
Yeah. And matter of fact, sticking
The lower
out
right there.
Look at from the top.
Yeah, I see, bro.
Sticking out a little. Oh, yeah.
If I lower it though, it might negative camber naturally a little bit.
It's just, if you look at from this wheel, sticking out just a little.
Yeah, I see it.
I like it like that. I don't want to.
I'm gonna have to lower it to see.
Yeah.
Yeah. But right now it don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. The rear a little bit more aggressive than the front, but sheesh. What y'all think, bro? What y'all think about it? It's not on the floor yet, but what y'all thinking? So these are actually stock M wheels, but they're not actually the M wheels. These are Alibaba wheels. So we're gonna go into more depth about the wheels soon, but I'm supposed to put spacers on this, bro. I don't know about that. Just so y'all can see how flush, brother. That shit is sticking out a little bit. Yeah. Got the other side going down. Jeez. Bro, I changed the fucking car, bro. Those stock wheels are so shit. They're not even the stock wheels. That shit looks so tough. Everything is in the car, ready to go easily. Come on, man. Come on, man. Easy. But yeah, these are the new wheels for the F30, man. I'm gonna tell you more about them. It's getting real dark right now, real quick. I'll probably just tell y'all tomorrow. What a big difference, brother. Once we lower it, we should get some negative camber naturally, so that should fix itself. Then the front, probably gonna have to pop the front out by like half it. So I'm gonna use one set of the spacers. I don't know about the back yet though. We will see. Back is meaty boy though. And this is X drive, so we had to keep like the ratio or some shit even or proportionate or do some. I did the math, man. I did the math and it's good. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Have a good one, man. Thank you, bro. My hand's dirty as hell. Have a good one, man. All right, bro. Thank you, man. Walking up to this shit now, this shit got a different presence, nigga. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. That shit got a different presence, nigga. That's a new car. Alright you guys, so it's been a couple of weeks. I've been daily in the car on the new wheels. These are 19 by 8.5 plus 35 offset, wrapped in 225, 40, 19 Bridgestone Potenzas. I went with Bridgestone Potenzas. They're like a nice middle ground, you know, good for all season. Still need grip when it rains. In the back we got 19 by 9.5 plus 35 offset, wrapped in 255, 35, 19s. Same tire, Bridgestone Potenzas. I've been driving this car for a couple weeks now and these feel absolutely phenomenal. I have no complaints. I mean, the car don't got a lot of power, but these tires grip the fuck up if that's something you're looking for. And they're good in the rain, bro. You can take corners in these tires, bro. I feel like I found a very good middle ground. You can see the meat set up. How we looking in the back. Poking out just a little bit. Once you lower it, natural camber will take over. Should be straight. In the front, poke definitely isn't as serious. Might need a spacer in the front. We'll see though. I feel like if I roll the fender, I could fit like maybe a 10 mil there. As far as the back, I don't know about a spacer. I don't think so. Let me know what y'all think in the comments though, for sure. I think it'll be just perfect when it sits. I'm gonna put the link in the description though for the rim setup. The rim setup is basically made for F30s. Offset wise, bolt pattern, and the hub bore size, it's all made for F30s. That's why it fits it so goddamn perfect with no spacers. These are rims off of Alibaba. They're actually off of eBay, but yeah, Alibaba, eBay, same shit. Alibaba stick better. It's M437 rim style. I think it looks very good on F30s. This is nothing new. People do it all the time, swapping from the M4 over to the F30. But the only difference with this rim setup compared to the real M4, the real M4 437s got 9s in the front and I think 10s in the rear instead of 8.5 and 9.5. So it's a little bit more aggressive, the M4 437s, but I think these are just perfect, bro. I might add a little spacer, but I think they're perfect, bro. For off-the-shelf fitment, no spacers, no modification, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I still need to lower the car, and I think it'll look a lot better. For stock height, it definitely gave this car an upgrade. I was going for that OEM Plus look. These are like my new stock wheels. Old stock wheels are shit, bro. Just with this body style and my goal for the car, 17s just wasn't fitting it, bro. 19s is more what I'm going for. Trying to get rid of that wheel gap in the back, get rid of that wheel gap in the front. This shit gonna look a lot nicer. But let me know what y'all think of the new wheel setup in the comments. Next thing for this car will probably be to lower it, get rid of that wheel gap. So, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think of this shit stock height though. I think it look a lot better. Y'all let me know, bro. Catch y'all in the next video. Out.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance?